The stock market surged today with all major stock market indexes up over 1.7%, and the Dow Jones was up over 500 points as investors are betting that the Federal Reserve is done with their interest rate hikes and that they'll be pausing from now on at this point of the rate hiking cycle. Tech stocks did especially well considering Roku smashed their earnings estimates and that helped other media stocks. Roku was up 30%. Shopify smashed their earnings report and beat on pretty much every metric. And Shopify was up about 22%. And then Palantir beat on everything because of AI and new deals that they made. And that stock was up about 20%. Those stocks really led the market to do so well, especially because those stocks were so beaten down recently from the sell-off we saw from the past couple of months. That's partially why we led to some strong performance today. Additionally, productivity gains were higher than expected, coming in at a 4.7% increase, which honestly, in my opinion, that's why Q3 GDP was 4.9%. That productivity gain really helped strengthen the economy, and while also keeping inflation in check, because productivity is deflationary in nature. So that was some good news. And then we also had some more news out on Bitcoin. Fidelity's director of macroeconomics pretty much said that Bitcoin is exponential gold, that its scarcity, adoption curve, and decentralization, and it protects against monetary shenanigans and debasement from governments, is really appealing right now. And I kind of agree with him because Bitcoin is a store of value like gold. You can't really, the downside with gold is that you can't really spend gold at stores. Bitcoin, you could send money from wallet to wallet, and then Bitcoin also has an adoption curve. There's been a lot of growth since Bitcoin's adoption over 13 years ago. Actually, 15 years ago was the white paper of Bitcoin. There's been a lot of growth and adoption of that. And between the user growth and the benefits of Bitcoin and the risk and reward is why Fidelity's director of macro thinks that Bitcoin is exponential gold. And with the user adoption of technology, it's the best of both worlds between gold and technology, in my opinion. Alliance Bernstein thinks Bitcoin could hit 150,000 by 2025. And then we have, as I said in my video yesterday, Mohamed Al-Arian saying that Bitcoin is a safe haven right now. And then Larry Fink from BlackRock, BlackRock's chairman, said Bitcoin's a flight to quality. So that's pretty appealing right now. But either way, the recent surge of Bitcoin over 35,000 and the way the market did today, I think is mostly due to investors really thinking that the Federal Reserve is done hiking rates at this point in the cycle.